Chevra, we're out in this beautiful camping grounds with my good friend Ari.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, Rab Ari, the owner of these grounds. Wow, this is a hidden gem in Swan Lake, New York.
It's not so hidden now anymore since this video is gonna go
Once
out.
the video goes out, it won't be hidden anymore.
Exactly.
But Ari, this place is gorgeous. Wow. Tell me a little about this place. Let's
Come
go.
on, have a seat, let's go.
Let's go, Chevra. Yalla, so talk to me about this place.
So here for the past few summers, we have a few units that we rent out every Shabbos. We have this one, this one, this one. People come with families. That's mainly my friends and family and people that I know. And Baruch Hashem, it's typically always busy and always sold out. I built that school bus over there. You see over there, it's built in a bar park on the street.
Built that school bus in Borough Park?
Yes, on the street.
What's the matter?
And I created a 2-bedroom RV out of it, and it's beautiful. The kids love it, the adults love it.
I don't believe it.
Yeah, look at it. Look at it. We painted it over here as well. Moshe.
1 minute. So you picked up this school bus in Borough
I
Park.
picked up in Jersey, and we built it in Borough Park on the street. It was a whole production. It was a whole process.
Give a kick. You painted it as well?
Yeah, Moshe Art painted it. Beautiful paint. It was a beautiful 3 days. It was so relaxing to watch it.
Wow. Let me see inside, though.
Yeah, come.
It's a satmara, the ones without the noses.
Yeah, rather.
Flat nose school buses.
Only corner stops. No direct stops.
What do you stop? Wow. Chevra, give a kick. This is insane. You took a school bus and you made a bungalow out of it.
Look at this. Has AC, has the beds, has a place for the cribs in the back, window shades. Look at the view out of the window. See, this is the beauty of the bus.
Wow.
All green. We're going for the green.
You know, you don't see Borough Park streets out here.
Exactly.
Hot water. Emergency exit in case.
Phone. If you get homesick, you can always call home. Look at the flushes. Look. Shower.
What type of roof did you put up here?
With insulation, and then we added the wood on. We burned the wood.
Wow, fridge, freezer, beds, more beds.
And feel, look, it's solid.
It's sturdy. It's not moving nowhere.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. And you can still drive it over here.
And that not anymore, but the kids play around over here, and you think you're the only one with a mic? Look, we also have mics over here.
There's a größer mic.
That's incorrect. Yeah.
I love this, Ari. This is fantastic. Wow. So this is a...
And you can't forget these lights over here. See, this is the most important.
These
part
lights are
here.
always on. We have to come back at night.
At night, the lights are on.
The lights are on.
Yeah.
So let me get more of a vibe of this place. This is like you bought a big
It was an
grounds.
existing campground, and we use it more as private property, and we rent out a few. Ich will dich nicht sitzen, du allein. So we rent out, and we have every Shabbos different company, different friends, and Baruch Hashem, it's.
So the Shabbos, a guy could come and stay in the school bus for Shabbos?
Stay in the school bus for Shabbos. And we have also, you believe it, today is a very big market. People come in tents, and they bring their own RV. There's thousands of people, Heimische people that have their own RVs, and they come. They don't have thousands, but they come a few every week. They park in. You have water and plumbing all over the place, and electric. So it's just like you're in a bungalow colony. You see, you're back in your RV right over here in this spot.
And it comes with water and electric.
And they put in a water hose. Here's the sewer right over here on the bottom. On the bottom is the sewer over here. And here you have the water. This connects straight into the RV, and you have electric. You plug in, and you're ready to go. Okay, cool.
Wow. So this is our RV camp, technically.
That's what it is. Yes, it's
That's
not
your RV right
it's not
there.
a mobile park. It's an RV. It's a campground.
RV. So all your little bungalows are RVs, technically.
Correct.
They're
Even this is a legal RV. It's called a tiny home RV, a park model RV. But take a pause a second not the video. Take a pause for the weather. Put on the lift over
The
here.
lift is
We're in
unreal.
Swan Lake. It's much nicer than any other place in the mountains. And
Wow, this is gorgeous. How many acres do you have here?
around 47 acres.
47 acres. Wow.
So here we have communal farm. We set up fire pits all over the place, over here, over there. Wherever you go, there's fire pits, and even in the woods, they have the rings to make fires, and people come and they sit here, the families, they have roast marshmallows, s'mores. They give their kids an experience which...
You don't get this anywhere.
You
No
can't
bungalow
get it.
colony, no hotel.
It's not congested. You can't have... Look at this open space. It's good for the mind, and it's good for everything.
Wow, so a family could come here for Shabbos, sleep in an RV or in a school
Correct.
bus, or even pitch a tent.
I'll show you. I'll take you into the RV, so I'll show you how it looks on the inside. They can pitch tent, and people come. Whole families come in tents, and they set up. They keep their soup warm by the fire before Shabbos that they start. And it's beautiful. Shabbos, and it's shaded. A lot of campgrounds have you under the sun. Here you wake up, you sleep later in the morning because you're
You're shaded.
yeah. And Shabbos, I take attendants who made it through the night.
So how does it work with camps? If a camp
So this is what I want to switch. So I keep, this is Baruch Hashem, everything is going good. I want to do for camps.
Yeah.
I would love to set up, if camps could come during the week when no one is here, they could set up a whole camping situation. They have different bunks, different fires, different, whatever activities they want to do. We've had 1 or 2 camps here before.
Really?
But I never marketed fully for camps. And I think this year I want to during the week, I'm not here during the week, but we have a manager over here and he'll take care of everything. And we could set up a full camping night for camps. They could set that.
Where would they set up the tents, I'm saying?
They can set up any place. They can set up in the woods over there. That's the nicest place in the woods.
In the woods?
And then you can have every different bunks, different places, different setups. It's huge. It goes back in the woods. You have electric all over the place. Wow. So here's where people come and set up their tents. You can see you have electric poles also all over the place. You have water all over the place.
So technically you can set up a hot plate here.
Hot plate over here.
Essen.
Correct. And here you have fire pits all over the place. So if a camp would come, they would set up over here, and it continues. It
goes into the forest.
You go that way, and you feel the difference in the degrees under the trees. It's much, It's even nicer. It's beautifully shaded.
Tables all over.
Yeah.
Unreal.
See right over here. This is for bunk machnerin. This is for bunk riven. That's for shimon.
Unreal.
Yeah.
What's with the bathrooms? If people come tenting
So
here?
we have a bathroom over here. And we have a shower house as well. I'll show you. So we have a shower house. I'll get a mikveh come out. You feel like you're in camp. The adults back in camp.
So what's the phone number if somebody wants to bestel a
The best way is to WhatsApp me is 917-295-7979.
So have the camps or private couples who want to come for Shabbos.
want
to come middle of the week.
Or any other ideas. We're open. People
But
want
you already
to
had camps coming out here at night?
I had camps already coming
Wow,
before.
camps sleeping here at night in tents. I'm a chayed. The geschmack lift. Then the morning you wake up and you catch the bus.
Exactly. Don't be...
Ari, this about the bench do a line?
Yeah, ich habe gehabt mir geholfen. This is cinder blocks. And in the winter, you take out the woods. I have even cushions that I put on over here to make it more comfortable.
Alles ist du heimisch gemacht.
That's DIY, heißt das.
Do it yourself. I love these
Look at the
tires.
flowers. Look at the flowers. Look at this grill over here.
Grill. Unbelievable how you...
But people don't realize the flowers, the most important part is the watering it, the talking to it. That's how it grows so nice. Look how beautiful this grows. This is only love.
Let me geen tak wie de rest of the flower.
Yeah. It's a private conversation.
Ari, wow.
You look how beautiful this is. It's all in the details. The whole life is all about the details. Sit over here, wake up in the morning.
It's not cute. You stuck.
Isn't it? Yeah, we did it with the rebar inside. The whole process. Look how nice it's growing.
Ari, this can we take a and see.
You see?
The only in the video can smell it.
It's also your height level, so you can talk to it. Let me take you on an ATV. Let me take you for the full tour.
The full tour of ATV.
Yeah, you can't walk 47 acres that quick.
Let's go. Yalla.
It's starting.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oppa, oppa. Op. All right, Kevin, hold on tight.
You got it?
We got it. Whoa.
Okay, so where do we start? Okay, let's start. Let's start from here. Then make the turn. So here's one cabin, here's another one. Here's the volleyball court, right over here. As you can see on the right side is the volleyball court. Here's the playground. This is a little bus that we're making now for the kids to play as well. When is the last time you saw such a merry-go-round? There's the swings, the slides.
So you built yourself a nice little playground here.
Look at the hammocks. You can sit over here. Look at the hammocks over here.
That's the shower house?
That's the shower house, yes. So
Wow.
overlooking the lake. Look, you sit in the hammock over here. Look up on the trees. Point up, look how nice it is.
Wow, man kan sitzen in the
Yeah.
hammocks.
You can read a book. Man kann sich verlehnen do a bissel.
The shower house, the restrooms.
Yeah.
We full man up to the lake.
You still on?
I'm still on. I didn't fall off yet. Wow, wow, wow. It's gorgeous.
Look at this. So here, there's one. When I had a camp once, they set up fires over here for different bunks. It's huge. You can spread out very nicely.
kleine bungalows.
They says I never really use it, but we can schluffen in them.
Wow, like a one bed person over here.
It's 2 beds actually in there.
Look
at the lake.
Look at the beautiful lake. Dit is in de lane en
About that. This me ken, mazal.
zo, met dit is. Wow. This is beyond gorgeous. This is beyond gorgeous.
Look over here, look how beautiful under the trees. And these are all spots for RVs.
RVs.
Over here as well.
All these poles here are meant for RVs.
Correct. RVs has electric, water, and sewer. So here we have like come for Shabbos 1, 2, 3. Look at the communal, the fire pit again over here.
Beautiful fire pit.
Yeah, I especially made it. I want people to really enjoy it.
Wow. Shit.
Now you're in the woods.
Got down in the woods, Kevin. I love these little swings all over the place. Ari, I wasn't expecting this. This is something out of the world. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh.
Let me know when you're not here no more, okay?
You'll feel it. Somebody wants to go deep in the woods.
Yeah. See, this used to be like for paintball shooting over here or whatever they did over here. It's still usable.
So if a camp wants to do paintball shooting,
they can do laser tag, a whole bunch of stuff.
Wow.
This was all set up for that.
Ari, I just got the full tour of this place. This is Gan Eiden Atachten.
See, and we're still in the Eidov over here.
Oh, what else do Eidov do?
Yeah, and look at this views. It's stunning over here. So you want to book camps, boys camps, girls camp, or whatever you want to book it for here during the week, it's gorgeous. You're going to have a great time. You're going to thank me afterwards.
You're going to thank me for putting out this video, Kevin, because Ari is the man. I just spent a couple of hours with Ari. Ari is the most geschmack guy you can have as your host here in this property, in this campgrounds. Come with your tents. How many kids can you hold up to here?
Like I have up to 3. How many you want?
300-400 kids, unlimited.
At least the place is unlimited.
This place is unlimited. This place is stunning. This place is gorgeous. Grills here, marshmallows, barbecues, food.
The weather,
the matzah, the vibe.
Yeah, you
have bathroom
you
showers.
Could roast stuff. You could grill. You could do whatever you want over here, and it's an experience that you don't have anyplace else. It's peaceful.
It's peaceful.
So, Chaim, you do the game shows. This is the perfect place over here in the open field. Over there, we put up the screens. You can watch any video from your camp, the whole summer review. You can do whatever you want over here.
Wow, so you're going to put up, instead of this American flag I still like, on a white screen?
Correct, and we have all this open space over here. You set up chairs. You picnic out over here as well.
That's amazing. So you put up a white screen on this. You're going to do it, Ari, right? You plan on putting up a white screen here? It's huge, but I don't know if the audience sees in the video how big it is. A white screen, and the whole camp sits out in this huge field, massive field over here. Do a game show. You can do a video, The Youngest Partisan, one of my brother's videos. Gevre echte triparatie. Aber die game nog dem feine naes.
And let me show you how the RV looks on the inside. People come, they rent it for Shabbos. How solid it is. Look how beautiful it is. Got a kitchen.
Wow, the island.
Avada. Fireplace.
Couches.
Look at the windows. Look at the view out of the windows. Look how open it is. Lechtig.
I know no RVs could be so nice. So it's out there. Stunning here.
Here's for the kids. Here's for the kids to sleep, or adults. Half a bathroom in here.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Refrigerator, pantry, and here you have the.
Wow. Ari, this is an RV.
Yeah.
A shower, a bath, toilet.
This is the top of the line one, though.
See, this is the top of the line RVs. Tisch, we kunnen gaan Shabbos hier. Wow.
Shabbos hier in the roast. You live outside.
You live outside. I forgot. We live here outside.
I remember one thing. Home is where you park it.
Good. That's a good line.